Welcome to today's video. Gardenia gummifera, also known as Nadi Hingu, is a medicinal plant with incredible healing properties. It has been used in Ayurveda for centuries to treat various ailments. Let's explore its benefits and how you can use it. Gardenia gummifera is a shrub or small tree found in India. Its resin is highly valued in traditional medicine for its therapeutic effects. Gardenia gummifera offers a wide range of benefits, including treats fever, helps reduce fever caused by indigestion, improves digestion, used to relieve constipation and intestinal worms, heals wounds. The resin is applied to wounds for faster healing, supports oral health, used for treating dental caries and gum inflammation. Here's how you can use Gardenia gummifera effectively. For wounds, apply the resin paste directly to the affected area and cover with a clean bandage. For digestion, dissolve 200 milligrams of dried resin in water or buttermilk and consume. For oral health, place a small amount of resin on the affected tooth or gum. Gardenia gummifera is truly a gift from nature. Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips.